Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name cable support and with this drawing. We start with this contour and with this contour. You see dimensions here because I'll apply sweep, standard millimeters IPT. We select this plane, X to the right, then a slot of 100 and also 100. Finish sketch. No, I place this center over the center point and I draw a line, a diametral line. Then everything else is construction. Finish sketch. Then we use the plane YZ, this plane, for a new sketch. F7. We project this line because we need to use its end. Then we draw lines starting from here. Press the left button to obtain this arc. Keep pressed again the left button and go here somewhere. Keep press the left button, get down. Now we have this end, we use it, project geometry, this, and we place this endpoint here. Now equal are these two arcs, equal are these two lines. Then we place dimensions. This dimension is 170. This dimension is 30. And this radius is 200. Okay, now I make this line as construction. Finish sketch, sweep. This is the contour or path. This is the path. Okay. Now we use the plane XY and F7. We place here two rectangles. One is starting from here, ending here, and the other is starting from here and goes up. I place on the same center these two. Also, if you want to see better, we make coincident these two. We project this arc and we apply tangent between these two lines. Good. Now dimensions. This is 50 and this is 20. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Extrude. What we want to extrude? Both rectangles. And we use not join, not cut, but intersect. Symmetrical all the way. Okay. You see what happens? We use the same plane XY for a new sketch. F7. We project this line, this, and so on. Finish sketch, extrude, 100, symmetrical, because the distance here is 100. Okay. Now we create this hole and this cut. 60, 90 and 30, all dimensions. Plane YZ, F7, circle 60. Then I place on the same vertical. If this is vertical, this is not, because Z is oriented, as you can see, on the same our vertical at a dimension of 90. Then I draw two lines, or three lines, this two, and the connection between them. I make them equal to have a symmetry. Yes? And dimension of 30. I split this arc. I make it construction and fully constrained sketch. Extrude, symmetrical, cut all the way. Okay. You see here radius 25 and undimensioned fillets are radius 3. They are this all over. Good. This is 25. And also the other one. Plus 3 millimeters for this, and this. On the other face, the same. Okay. Now we see that two holes, two of metric 24, 50 and 60, placed at 100 in the centers of this cylindrical face. Good. I turn back the part, I create a new sketch, I project the other area, and I have these 2 points. Hole 1, 2, threaded, isometric profile, diameter of 24, with dimension values are 60 and 50 for both. Okay, there is another specification. All chamfers are radius 2 at 45. Where are they? At the end of this holes. 2 is by default, so I select the other one. Now I think we finished this model. Let's verify the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is absolutely the same. Cancel. This is the volume. We go to part, we apply stainless steel and shade it. Now we compare the two and they are the same. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.